Fellas, have you ever had a woman sneeze while you're inside of her? What's up, guys? My name's Quincy Johnson II. I'm a comedian from Los Angeles. So I gotta ask a question before I get started. How old are you guys? Like, are you old enough to talk about sex right now?
I've had it.
So you're aware that men are better at sex than women, right?
No, Sketch, you want to jump in?
From my experience, it is depends on what you're doing. Are you playing, are you sword fighting, or are you, what's the...
No, men are better at sex than women because if the point of sex is finishing, we're world record holders in this room right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, usually there are women here to get mad when I say that, but since it's just a room full of dudes, we can just talk about it. Fellas, have you ever had a woman sneeze while you're inside of her? Because I recommend it, okay? I even make it happen. Like when a woman's on top of me, I take a little pepper, blow it in her nose, make her sneeze, find my orgasm. I found that in Vogue.